Why game development as a hobby can enrich your life. In a world shaped by consumption and passive entertainment, game development offers a rare opportunity. You go from being a player to becoming a creator. What might seem like a nerdy side project at first, quickly has an amazing effect on many areas of life, mentally, professionally, and personally. 1. Mental fitness and problem solving. You train your logical thinking, problem-solving skills, and understanding of systems. You learn to structure complex processes, which also helps in everyday life, studies, or work. Developing games means constantly solving problems. How does the physics work? How does the enemy react? How do you save progress? These questions sharpen your logic, your ability to work systematically, and your creativity. It's like a gym for your brain, only with code instead of dumbbells. 2. Creativity on multiple levels. Game development is like a creative lab. You can experiment without limits. You combine storytelling, graphics, music, and interactivity. You can build worlds, shape characters, and tell stories that move people or make them think. It's a creative outlet that lets you express your ideas freely and playfully. 3. Technical skills with real benefits. You will learn programming, for instance in C#, C++, GD script, or visual scripting. You understand game engines like Unity or Godot, which can open doors professionally. You develop a sense for user experience and interface design. Whether you work with Unity, Godot, or your own framework, you'll learn coding, design principles, data structures, and much more. These skills are valuable, not just in gaming, but also in IT, design, and media production. 4. Communication and community. You share ideas with others in forums, discords, and game jams. You learn to give and receive feedback. You collaborate with artists, musicians, and other creatives. The indie and hobby developer scene is alive and open. You can exchange ideas, get feedback, work on projects together, or join game jams. It strengthens your social skills and opens doors to new contacts and perspectives. 5. Personal growth and confidence. Creating your own game, even a small one, is a real achievement. You see how an idea becomes a working product. That boosts your confidence, your perseverance, and your ability to pursue long-term goals. You learn to set goals, plan tasks, and stick with them. You develop patience because bugs and errors are part of the journey. 6. Career opportunities. Many hobby developers eventually enter the industry as designers, programmers, or QA testers. You build a portfolio that makes an impression even outside the gaming world. 7. Connection to the world. You gain a deeper understanding of how digital media works. You develop a critical awareness of game mechanics, ethics, and impact. You can even explore social issues through your games. 8. Self-expression and mental well-being. You create something of your own that boosts your self-confidence. You can express emotions, thoughts, and ideas that might not fit anywhere else. It can be a release for stress, a creative, safe space. Game development as a hobby is more than just a way to pass the time. It's a way to discover yourself, grow new skills, and unleash your creativity. You won't just get better at coding, you'll get better at thinking, communicating, and creating. And that's a game you can only win.